What's going on, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Mike and this is Living with 3M, and you'll notice the truck getting in the background today. So I just thought we would shoot a video. This is my house, these are my dogs, and wanted to talk to you guys about home security and what I've done to upgrade. So as many of you guys know, that about a year ago, my truck Legend was parked under my carport right there that you see, and during the evening hours someone broke into it and stole my brand new pistol. So I went out and purchased a security system with cameras, but I did not realize at the time that the cameras don't have any motion sensors. It's just a DVR with cams. So those work really well, and I want to show you guys all the cameras and then the extra stuff I've added. Okay, there's camera 1. Camera 2. I don't know if you can see. That one's actually on the black rail underneath there. It's really hard to see. Okay, walking around this way. Got a camera right there. And nothing back here, but walk around this area. Oh, there's Legend under the carport, and you can see security cameras right there and right there that keep a check on the backyard. Okay, I'm under the carport where the cars usually sit. Give you a shot of this camera, which is right there. And now I'll tell you a little bit about the system in the house. Okay, I've came in the house, and I've always been told when you install a security system, cameras, whatever, you don't want to leave it sitting out with your main computer, because if somebody breaks in the house, they'll steal that. There goes your DVR and all your footage. So I've got it in my closet here that is normally locked, and it's very inconspicuous anyhow. But there's the cameras. I'll do a flip around and let you see. And that's the Swan DVR with the cameras. I've got 2 more cameras going online here shortly. I'm just running wire for them right now today. That's why I'm making the video. Okay, so that covers the cameras and the positions on the house. So I can basically see around the house. But like I said, the cameras don't have any motion sensors, so I don't really know when to look at the camera. And I know there are systems out there that do that. They'll ping your phone, stuff like that. But I bought sort of the base DVR system at Best Buy a few years ago, so it didn't have that. But a friend of mine mentioned a system that can be added to anything, any cameras or no cameras. It's called a perimeter sensor from Guardline. Okay, me and the dogs are going to walk the perimeter and explain exactly what the Guardline perimeter sensor does. So down here at the bottom of the driveway, in an inconspicuous area as well, this is my tree at the corner of the yard, you will notice, now watch the little, see the little, I'm not sure if you can see the red light. It's a, let's see if we can get it to come on. Yeah, there's the red light. It looks like a little birdhouse, but what it does, it shoots a sensor, a laser up that way. So if anybody crosses the driveway about right in here, inside the house, it will give a chime. So if we are home in the middle of the night and someone comes up to the house, it will set off a distinct sound. You can choose from many different sounds for different sensors in different areas. So the front gives like a doorbell chime. Okay, coming around to my back driveway, on my tree in the natural area out here, I've got two sensors. One this way and one over here. And if you'll notice, it's crossing my driveway going back to the house. And this one right here is going to the back property line. Right here, the tree line to the back side of the property. And each sensor makes a different noise or ringtone, so we know where to look on the cameras. If, say, 3 a.m. in the morning, you hear the classic bing bong doorbell, that's the front, or sensor 1. Sensor 2 is this one right here, and it may have a completely different ringtone to it. And sensor 3, the tree line, has another ringtone to it. So we're pretty well guarded right now. And you can see from the tree line where the sensors are that Legend is within the sensor range. So if anybody comes through the tree line, attempts to get near the cars or the trucks, then we know instantly in the house. And there's really no false alarms. Guardline is a real nice setup, and I think for the entire kit for the Guardline, it was like $249 for all 3 sensors. So $250 for all 3 sensors and the brain unit. Yeah, the Carolina Skiff. So another reason to keep everything secure and buttoned up. Don't want anybody messing around with any of our property. Okay, there is the Guardline brain unit, and shows power button up here, but sensor 1, 2, 3, and 4. I only have 3 sensors, but it will actually flash when a sensor is tripped, plus give the audible alarm. Okay, I'll give you guys a little demonstration. So this comes plugged in, but it also has batteries inside the unit in case the power goes out. All right, so I'm going to carry this with me, and when I trip a sensor, I should be able to hear it. We'll walk towards sensor 1. When I get down this far in the driveway, you should hear it go off. Did you hear that? So I crossed the line, and notice that my dog is lower than the sensor. So whatever trips, it has to be at least 4 or 5 feet tall. So usually the dogs, cats, raccoons, squirrels do not trip the sensor. But I'll hold this up and we'll walk across the path again. So there you go. Okay guys, just got the new DVR in, which is right there. It's just plug and play. So that's why I didn't bother you with going through the switching out. But you can see there's actually my wife pulling in the driveway now. So we've got 6 cameras, and you also heard the perimeter sensor just go off. So good deal. So I want to thank you guys for watching today. And if you will, please like, comment, subscribe, especially subscribe. That means a lot to me. I will be coming out with videos weekly regarding trucks, cars, the house, the boat, everything you guys hopefully you want to see. So just stay tuned. Thanks guys.